region may be endangered by a lethal agent. If conditions at your location make this a possibility, you need to consider staying in place until the fire has subsided.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So as you guys can go ahead and see, we have the beautiful 2024 Dark Horse aired out right now, right by a mountain. We're literally on a drive. We're almost actually to the spot. We're actually heading out to a lake to actually get some professional videos and photography done for the beautiful black diamond wheels that we have on the car right now. So it's been about a 2-hour drive. We're literally around the corner. It's like 20 minutes up there, but we're actually gonna go ahead and strap the 360 on the back. That way we get a little bit of driving up here in this kind of mountain scenery, because we're literally gonna ride into all those rocks right there. But overall, I am beyond happy with this thing. At the end of the day, we're still dealing with the sensor issue because it keeps going off. Basically, we can't go over 80 miles an hour, which has been very, very irritating. But this thing has been such a fun car to drive still, regardless of that fact. But we did order the sensors already. They should be in though. Not soon enough though at the end of the day. But we're gonna go ahead and get on going right now. So we just mounted the GoPro right there. So now we're actually gonna go ahead and get back on the road and drive straight that way. And for another 30 minutes or so. So hopefully this captures some good footage. Anything like I feel like the car's been doing great. this handling is insane. Even going on bags and doing that, being able to do that. Like, the car felt planted overall, I ain't gonna lie. All right, so we're actually just pulling up to the meeting location. That was super, super fun. So this is actually the first time we took out the Dark Horse out mountain driving with the new bags.
Then arrive at your destination.
Looks like we're pulling up to the Subway right here. So we just pulled up. It's a little windy out here, but we're meeting up at a Subway, so we're gonna go ahead and grab a little bit of grub real quick. But damn, this thing handled very, very well. Again, honestly, first time driving on the bags out here in the mountains. This handled way better than I expected, and it was definitely overall a very, very fun drive. That's crazy. That's a rig right there. Sheesh. Damn, bro, they wildin', bro.
Back over all the way in front of you. In front of you right now. That's that sauce.
What do you say?
That's that sauce.
As a result of the outbreak, your city or entire region may be endangered by a lethal agent. If conditions at your location make this a possibility, you need to consider staying in place until the threat has subsided or blown over.
How you guys doing so far?
Oh, great.
This is fun.
Chilling, man.
This is fun as fuck.
Oh, yeah.